In this video, I'll show you how to add Stripe to Lovable and start accepting payments. First, open Lovable and click on your icon in the bottom left corner. Then, go into Settings and select Connectors. Search for Stripe and make sure it is enabled. If you do not see it, click on it and turn it on. Once it is enabled, go back and open the app you want to add Stripe to. Now tell Lovable what you want to set up. For example, you can say something like, accept a one-time payment through Stripe, or set up a subscription. It depends on what you need. Give it a few seconds to think and generate the setup. After that, Lovable will ask you for your Stripe restricted key. This is where you need to open Stripe, go into your account, and grab your restricted key from there. Once you have the key, paste it into Lovable and click Submit. It will then ask you what you want the payment button to look like. Just fill that in and submit again. And that is it. Stripe is now connected, and your app is ready to accept payments. That is how you do it.